Before we dive into writing our first line of code, we need to locate, open, and explore the Visual Basic Editor. The Visual Basic Editor is essentially the home base when it comes to writing, modifying, and debugging macros that you have created. There are a few ways to open the Visual Basic Editor. The first way is through the Developer tab found on the ribbon. By default, this tab is hidden. To make this tab visible, click on File, Options, Customize Ribbon, and then on the right-hand side of the menu, ensure the developer box is checked. From here, you can close out this menu and click on the Developer tab, and then click on the Visual Basic option on the far left-hand side. This will open the Visual Basic Editor. Another option to open the Visual Basic Editor is through using the Alt F11 keystroke. This will automatically bring up the Visual Basic Editor and is typically quicker than navigating to the Developer tab. Now that we have the editor open, let's explore the different sections in this window and understand their purpose. By default, there are 5 main sections to look at. At the top, we have the menu bar, which is very similar to the menu bar found in the Excel ribbon. Just below that, we see the toolbar, which includes some features that we are likely to use most often. The big space on the right is the code window. This is where you'll write code or copy and paste code from somewhere else. In other words, this is where the magic happens. The area in the top left is the Project Explorer, or where we can see all open workbooks or objects in Excel. Lastly, in the bottom left, we have the Properties window, where we can see all of the properties of the object that we are working on.